my approval?
Yes.
Because you love my daughter Pam?
Yes.
Do you want to marry her? Do you want to marry her?
I did.
What are you doing, Am?
When I met you.
Playing solitaire.
What does that mean?
I love your daughter, Dad. I love her more than anything. If I keep her,
Well, you don't have to do that.
Do you know if she had more than one of those banquet-sized tables, or is that just the one she's got?
I think she just kept one.